Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Converge Fiber Xers ang Phoenix Fuel Masters 116-105. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jordan Heading sa likod ng kanyang 21 points, 3 rebounds, 6 assists at 5 steals. Para naman sa Phoenix Fuel Masters, top performer si Donovan Smith sa likod ng kanyang 30 points, 18 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Humakot naman si Cheick Diallo ng 21 points, 16 rebounds, 1 steal at 1 block. Alex Stockton 14 points, 8 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Justin Baltazar 6 points, 13 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals at 1 block. King Caralipio 0 point. Jordan Heading 21 points, 3 rebounds, 6 assists at 5 steals. Nag-ambag naman si Shawnee Winston ng 16 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Brian Santos 16 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Andrade 11 points. Justin Arana 6 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 block. Kevin Racal 5 points, 1 rebound. JL De Los Santos 1 rebound. Para naman sa natalong Phoenix Fuel Masters, Tyler Teo 13 points, 1 rebound, 5 assists, 1 steal. Jason Perkins 12 points, 2 rebounds, 1 block. Rishi Rivero 11 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Ken Tofen 8 points, 10 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Donovan Smith 30 points, 18 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si RJ Hasol ng 20 points, 1 steal. Rafael Virano 4 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist. RR Garcia 3 points. Raul Soyod 2 points, 1 rebound. Sean Mangante 2 points, 1 rebound. Kent Salado 1 rebound, 1 assist, 1 steal. Alejandro 1 assist. Larry Moyang 2 rebounds. Ato Olar 1 rebound. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan naman ng TNT Tropang Giga ang Blackwater Bossing 109-93. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jason Castro sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists at 3 steals. Para naman sa Blackwater Bossing, top performer si Arky Ilagan sa likod ng kanyang 19 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists. Nagtala naman si Rondy Hollis Jefferson ng 22 points, 9 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Ray Nambatak 19 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists. Calvin Oftana 18 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals at 1 block. Roger Pugoy 12 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Glenn Cobonten 10 points, 3 rebounds, 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Galinato ng 6 points, 3 rebounds, 1 block. Jason Castro 16 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists, 3 steals. Eram 4 points, 3 rebounds. Jello Rason 2 points, 2 rebounds. Paul Barilla 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Kim Aurin 1 rebound, 1 assist. Exim Mignano 0 point. Para naman sa natalong Blackwater Bossing, George King 28 points, 9 rebounds, 1 assist. Christian David 8 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Ray Suerte 5 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal. JV Casio 2 points, 1 assist, 1 steal. Bradwin Ginto 1 point, 2 rebounds. Nag-ambag naman si Arky Ilagan ng 19 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists. Justin Choa 9 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist. James Quicote 9 points, 2 rebounds, 2 steals. Richard Escoto 4 points, 1 rebound. Fon Ferrada 3 points, 3 rebounds. Montalvo 2 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 block. Miguel Corteza 2 points. Ayon 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 19, 2024. Eastern Hong Kong 5 wins, 1 loss. Northport Batangper 5 wins, 1 loss. Converse Fiber Xers 4 wins, 2 losses. Meralco Bolts 3 wins, 1 loss. Rain or Shine Elasto Pinters 3 wins, 1 loss. Barangay Hinebra 3 wins, 1 loss. San Miguel Bermen 3 wins, 2 losses. Enlex Road Warriors 3 wins, 3 losses. TNT Tropang Giga 2 wins, 2 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 1 win, 4 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win, 5 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 1 win, 5 losses. Terra Firma Jeep 0 win, 6 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 20, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilSports Arena. Sa first game, maghaharap ang Northport Battangper at Eastern Hong Kong alas 5 ng hapon. At sa main game, maglalaban ang Magnolia Hotshots at NLEX Road Warriors alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.